In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in Notion. Adding images to your Notion pages is a simple way to make your workspace more visual, easier to scan, and just more enjoyable to use. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic process of inserting a photo into any Notion page, step by step, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way. First, open the Notion page where you want to place your image. Click into the page so your text cursor is active at the exact spot where you want the photo to appear. Notion uses a very handy command system that starts with a /. So, on your keyboard, type /image. As you start typing, you'll see a small menu pop up with different block options that match what you've entered. From that menu, look for the option labeled Image. It should appear as one of the top suggestions. Use your mouse or trackpad to click on Image. The moment you do this, Notion will insert an empty image block right where your cursor was, and it will show you different ways to add a photo. Next, you'll see several choices, like uploading a file from your computer, pasting a link, or sometimes choosing from other sources depending on your setup. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the most common option, which is uploading a file. Go ahead and click on Upload File. When you select Upload File, your computer's file picker window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is stored. This could be your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a specific project folder. Take a moment to confirm that you're choosing the correct image file and that it's in a supported format such as JPG or PNG. Once you've found the right photo, click on it and then confirm by hitting the Open or Select button, depending on your operating system. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts that Notion gives you. The image will begin uploading and you might see a brief loading indicator. Once the upload is complete, your photo will appear directly on the page in the spot you chose. You can then hover over the image to resize it by dragging the handles, or reposition it in relation to other blocks if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo to Notion using the image block and the upload option.